Well, happy Friday morning, everybody. Let's go through the command center side of ENS and talk about some of the projects that we're working on today. I'd say that was pretty exciting to see some of the LED trucks in Las Vegas yesterday. Agreed?
Mhm.
Did you like watching the backpack? That's super
Yeah.
cool. We got to do a shout out to that new client because they're going to be doing outdoor bright LED backpacks and holographic trucks on the Las Vegas Strip. That's pretty cool. That's great to have them as a client. Agreed? Okay. So you saw today how we're going to be working with a company that does digital signage in the buildings. That was a 2-hour meeting today. Great.
Great.
Yeah. Yeah. So I need you to book that person back in for a same time call on Monday because we
Mhm.
have to walk them through more. Okay. You also saw how we now have the hardware ready for shipping coming over from Shenzhen with the new outdoor bright LEDs. So I have a very long list to work on with the agents there of orders that are now in the queue for that equipment. Understand?
Yep.
Okay. Rolly, you now are familiar with the workflow to be able to put content up onto the live LED screens, correct?
Yep.
And you also saw yesterday how we're going to integrate in with the ad exchanges. So as soon as Arby is back, I need to get him coordinating us in with the ad exchanges. Understood?
Yep.
Okay, good. So I think that's enough stuff for 24 hours. Yeah?
Mhm. Yep.
Yeah, it's been a very busy 24 hours. So there are a couple of installs in the queue here that I'm going to have to explain, but outside of the scope of this call, because of course that we're going to be talking about client names and such. Okay, so please post this up. That it was a very exciting day with the Network Operations Center.
Yep.
Okay, and yeah, happy Friday. Thank God it's Friday, everybody.
Yep.
Cheers.
Mm.